This is the Discord world, and I'm going to tell you how you can get Discord server boosts at the cheapest rates. And not only this, I'm also going to show you a trick which will make you get the server boosts for more cheaper price. So watch the full video. Don't forget that this is the most reliable boosting service out there. If you scroll down from this website, then you can see the shop section. Here you can see that you can buy 1-month server boosts, 3-month server boosts, and even lifetime boosts. And that's not it. You can also buy Discord Nitro, member boosting, and the Boost bot. If you scroll down then in this section, you can see where you can content these guys. They can be contacted on Discord or Telegram, so contact them if you need to. So let's buy 1-month 14 server boosts. I'm going to click on this drop-down menu and then select the 14 boosts option. 14 server boosts will cost you $15, but I have a special trick for you which will make this more cheaper. Once you have selected 14 boosts, now click on Select Product. This can take some seconds to load, so be patient. Once it is loaded, first click on Continue, and now it's time for me to tell you the trick. Click on Add Coupon Code and now type UNACT. Now click on Continue. Then the first thing you need to do is put your email address. After you have done that, now you need to get your server link. I am going to get the link of this server, and as you can see, this server currently has 0 boosts. So let's take the link and put it on the website. Once you have filled this, then hold on this button that says Hold to Continue. Once it starts processing, go back to your server and wait for the boost to arrive. Here you go. The boosts have started to appear. This animation looks so good. Now let's go to the server boost option in the settings and see if we received the right amount of boosts. You can see that we received all 14 boosts, and I'm going to give these server away to whoever joins my server and then opens a ticket and asks for this server. Only one person can get this server, so be fast. You can also set your own custom invite. So check out theboostingservice.io and use my code to get 5% off.